Welcome to Chessington World of Adventures. It's actually Winter's Tale at the moment, but we are here, of course, for a Jumanji update. Winter's Tale will come very, very soon to the channel. So last time we saw this, we were outside on the other side. But oh my God, look, we said from last time, look at the angle of that turn. That is absolutely insane. Here it is, World of Jumanji. Only a few months away now, and this is just, you know, the view is incredible. Something we've been looking forward to really since the project began, is seeing this. So the entrance area will be in here, it will go underneath this inversion, but as I said, bear in mind this thing's going to launch at roughly 50 miles an hour straight into that corner down there, straight into this inversion, and then round. You can see where the track ends here at the moment to what's been done. It's a whole new land coming. Does look stunning. Really, really impressed. Okay, now you cannot tell me this isn't an impressive site for Chessington World of Adventures. Just take a look at that. Of course, the entrance to the area will be right underneath it. And then the track is complete right round to here. So we continue our update here on the World of Jumanji with the new track that has arrived at the park. And here it is. There's a lot of it as well. A lot of it, all different kind of angles and shapes and sizes. And we'll give you a zoom in as well. We know people like to see the writing on the side. We certainly do when we have a look. Looks fantastic, doesn't it? Absolutely fantastic. Let's go down there and have a look at some of this as well. As we scroll down a bit, more track, look, and it's all numbered as well, so you can see this was 21, you've got 24 here, 23 here. It's a bit like a Lego set in terms of how it goes together. You can see this one's still got the protector on the end. Oh, it looks fantastic. This is how close we are to the Jumanji track. So of course it's highly suspected this track was made in America, which is really emphasised in the date, because obviously they put the date back to front. So 12th of September 2022 is when this piece was made. It's still quite unreal, to be fair. So there is this massive coaster going up at Chessington. This piece on the 9th. How good does it look though? How good does it look? Now from the back end, this is the shot we bought you last week first. Now of course we should appreciate the station building as well. We did originally think this was going to be open. I think it's a smart decision for it to be closed. I think that quite honestly the Swarm one should be closed. But also we can see a little bit of decoration there. Certainly don't think that's a wild tree growing. Some more track in the bottom car park. There's a lot of track on site, in fairness. Now you can see how the track arrives sort of all covered in the crates, which is why there's absolutely loads of crates over the back where they've unpacked the track. It's like Christmas. There are some things undercover, but of course we know what most of those are, because we can see the limbs sticking out the top. There we go. Even since our last visit a week ago, just over a week ago, it's changed massively. We got some more track installed on site. We've definitely got some other bits and pieces going on, particularly with the station. That's developed hugely since we last got to look at it properly from inside the park. And of course more track has arrived. We've taken you through the car park stuff. You can get right up close to it as well. They've let us come in and have a look, which is really, really fantastic of them. There's a lot of hype around it, even from walking around the park today. People are just talking about it, running over to have a look. They see this massive inversion, which you can see through the trees there. And yeah, it's new. It's new. It's not something that people have seen at Chessington before. Did you enjoy the update? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for joining us from Chessington. We will of course be keeping an eye on this over the close season best we can. We can't wait.